This talk is brought to you by the Bamberg Mathematical Consciousness Science Initiative.
Okay, hi everyone. And I'm going to outline an argument for the isomorphism between consciousness and its physical substrate. So the assumption of such an isomorphism is contested. I propose an argument that shows that the isomorphism exists and is not arbitrary, meaning that it avoids the Newman problem. It also provides a constraint for finding it. Given the time, I will only outline a restricted version of the argument I'm developing. I will focus on the experiences that are reported by a veridical report whose vehicle exhibits the structure of the experience. Verbal reports like I see a circle are therefore excluded, while reports like drawing a circle are included. Focusing on this type of report allows me to talk about veridical reports, setting aside the distinction between content and vehicle of a report, because content and vehicle will have the same structure. Veridical reports must be isomorphic to the experience they report, otherwise they would be tracking a different structure and would not be veridical. But where do reports come from? The natural answer is that they are causally explained by experience, but the reports are physical events, so they require a physical explanation. And we are not sure that experience is physical. I therefore keep experience and its substrate distinct, and take veridical reports to be causally explained by the substrate. This is the most plausible view, while the alternative is that reports are explained by a neural system other than the substrate. But that would make the systematic isomorphism between our many veridical reports and experience look miraculous. So this option is very implausible, and I conclude that it is the substrate that causally explains veridical report. Here I take the color similarity structure as my example. A report of an experience is realized in behavior, and such behavior can be captured by a functional structure. In this example, the function captures the responses of subjects who rate the similarity of pairs of colors. These ratings populate a dissimilarity matrix from which we derive a color similarity model. The physical substrate of experience can also be described by a functional structure. And for this structure to explain the report, it must be isomorphic to the functional structure that describes the report. We now have that experience is isomorphic to the report, and the report is isomorphic to the substrate. Then, by transitivity, experience is isomorphic to the substrate. Thus, we have an isomorphism between experience and its substrate, where the substrate consists of the physical realizers of the functional structure that causally explains the report. This yields a constraint on identifying the subset of experience, namely the candidate substrate must causally explain the structure of veridical reports. Thank you.